That's not enough. Come on now, you got to actually wet it up. Yeah. Come on, come on with a little bit more. You got to put enough in there so that you know it's going to mix it up. See how I still thick? I don't have it right. That's enough water. Don't pour it out. Because if it's too loose, all you need to do is add a little bit more loose. So go ahead and mix that because you still got big lumps. How you like your pancakes? You like your pancakes like small? I don't like mine like that. Okay, you need some more. All the meat in the bottom mixed up. Now, turn the stove on. Enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Yeah. What are you saying, Winston?
How are they gonna make pancakes like that?
What you mean?
How are we gonna make pancakes like that?
Right. You gotta coat the bottom of the pan. Let go of my arm. Hush. That's why you can't record with two, because you ain't gonna hear a thing. Not one thing. You got to coat the whole bottom of the pan. Your pancake, any of the edges, it's not gonna be good. It's what?
Can you burn butter?
Yeah, you can burn anything. Yep. Burn at the bottom of your pan, that could go a lot. You hear what I said? Now once that look like it's getting melted all the way. I do mine in the measuring cup because all you gotta do is just pour it. Two, I don't know. Then you flip it. Now it ain't done. You gotta flip it to the other side. So sad. Go ahead and flip that because see. Bottom of your pancake, let it burn quick. Lift it up. See what I'm saying? That's getting dark. So you gotta make sure it don't take long for the second side. You want to brown that side a little bit. If you feel like it's too much, I pull mine off the heat. She getting too old. Yes. You gotta see how the pancakes taste. You need a fork. Go ahead and taste one. Let me see what you say about your cooking. Probably is right. Is it done?
Nope.
It's not done? What?
No.
Let me see.
It's still filled. Hello, wait.
It's fine. It's just thick. But it's done. It's good.
I looked to become like you because I like pancakes without syrup.
You like your pancakes without syrup like me? Oh, Lord.
I can eat pancakes without the syrup if I...
So now you got smoky in here. I told you to turn the fan on. You got to clean up behind yourself. You left the margarine out. Pancake mix out. You got to be like Jamal. Wait a second. So you think you did good?
Good, radar. You got good.